Dear students, in this class we are discussed about government business interface. So government business interface, government as a role in a business. Government is a very powerful institution. It creates a good or favorable business environment. Role of government in business area or in an organization or company. Government as a regulator, government as an entrepreneur, government as a promoter, government as planner, government as partner, and social role of government. Then let's discuss the one by one. Government as regulator. First one, government is a one of the role as regulator. Government it's regulate the all the business institutions and companies. It's protecting competition, then protect the business agreements. It involves the some of directions, direct and indirect control. The government as everyone business control the direct and indirect of the business areas. The direct role is central power takes the direct control over the legislative. Then indirect also it's conduct the state-wise, local and of the government. Then second one, restraints on private activities. The restraints on private activity, the granting any private activity in a business area. The private activity involves individuals, business or organization, includes the receptions, awards, ceremonies and seminar. Those are activities restrained the as government. So limited activity is doing in the private activity. Control of monopoly. The government main role in a business, control of monopoly. So any one organization or business, so big business or large number of businesses, they control the monopoly of in a area of business. So we are dividing the so support to the small scale industries like those are. Then protection of the consumers. The protection of consumers, it's one of the important to as regulate the government in a business area. So it's a favorable for customers. So like establish the Essential Commodity Act 1955, then Agricultural Product Act 1937, then Consumer Protection Act 1986, then MRTP Act 1969, replaced by the Competition Act 2002, Sale of Goods Act 1930. So these are favor for the customers. Then second one, government as an entrepreneur. So the government role as an entrepreneur also. So this is important one. In this includes impress growth of public. The government has impress growth of public sector, the more preference on the public sectors. So because as a government is involves the public also. So in this second one, social entrepreneur. The government as a regulate the social entrepreneurs also. So because it's develop the rural sectors also. So we are develop the rural sectors, then after as increase the businesses in a rural areas. Then third one, price stabilization. Price stabilization. The price stabilization is the control the price or fixation of the price or maintain the same price of the product. It's a price stabilization. Then last one, developmental role. Is the developmental role as a government, as an entrepreneur, it's a promoting the lands and others activity also in this area. Then third one, government as a promoter. Government as a promoter in this area, the government role is promoting to the activities of in a business. So like providing finance, granting incentives, development of money and stock exchange, creating a social capital, those are. So we are, let's discuss the one by one. Providing finance. The government as doing in business a provide for the finance. So doing the business purposes, like institutions giving to the finance, financial institutions like banks, cooperative societies, those are giving to the providing finance purpose of doing the business. Granting incentives. The granting incentives involves the making the making the purpose of extra benefits. Those are involves the tax, revenue sharing, grants, low interest of the finance. So those are etc. Then third one, development of money. So in the area, as a government promote to the business, make a development of money. Then stock exchange. It's a development through the stock exchange. So acquire or attract the investors in the area of the business. Government as promote to the stock exchange in the development area. Then last one, creating a social capital. So the government as a promoter, it's create a social capital. It helps to the health education of the company. So like uh, everyone business will give like JSW, it's a giving to the creating social capital based on CSR activity. As a government promoting to the creating social capital, it's one of the goodwill of the everyone business. So that purpose promote the as government. Then fourth one, government as planner. So every government planning to the our develop the economic economic. So in this, as a government plan to the economic development purpose and as well as improve the business area. So we are discussed one by one. Planning commission. So planning commission, it's enforced by the Russia. Then planning commission was introduced in 1950. Planning commission, it's also known as 5-year plan. 5-year plan was first started the 1951 to 1955. In this first year plan, main objective development of agriculture. The second one, 5-year plan, main objective rapid industrial growth. Then second one, priorities and sectoral allocation of the resources. As a government plan to the priorities and sectoral resources allocation of the in the area of business. So allocation resources based on the sectoral wise. 12th 5-year plan. The 12th 5-year plan was introduced 2012 to 2017. So 12th 5-year plan main objective sustainable development. In this 2012, so 2015 as introduced Niti Ayoga. So Niti Ayoga was introduced January 1st 2015 as Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So Niti Ayoga involves 3-year plan, 7-year plan and 15-year plan as government. Then fifth one, government as partner. The government as partner. Government involves the business activity in the partnership also. First one, public private partnership. The government as involving in the public private partnership. So government as first public private partnership in the doing Mumbai. So first project doing in the area of Mumbai. Second one, national and subnational government. The national and subnational government, the national government and subnational government as a partner. National government direct the government, a central government involves the only one area. Then subnational government involves the state, municipalities and local government of the in a business area. Then last one, large economic infrastructure. The large economic infrastructure, it includes the all the economic activities of the business. The transaction system, communication network, water, electrical system. These are large economic infrastructure activities. It involves the mainly high cost of the investment. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೈ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಒನ್, ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೌರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್. ದಿ ಗೌರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ directive principles of the state policy. In this, government aim to create a social and economic conditions under the citizens can lead to good life. They also aim to establish social and economic democracy through the welfare of the state. Everyone state, it's a main role, economic and social conditions will be good. And it's everyone government as mainly intends to the welfare about our state, welfare of our states. In this second one, wages employment program. So in the everyone government in the area of create a job employment opportunities, they as a government role, it's helpful for the social, it's create a job employment of the our public or people. So in this wages employment programs are so many programs are introduced in the central government as well as state government. So in this we are IRDP integrated rural development program. So integrated rural development program as introduced in 1978 to 79. So in this area was creating for the rural development of the programs. Then second one, Jawahar Rozgar Yojana. Jawahar Rozgar Yojana was introduced in 1989. So in this year replaced by the Jawahar Gram Samruddhi Yojana. The Jawahar Samruddhi Yojana was introduced in 1999. So this is a create for the National Rural Employment Program in this area. So then third one, this is the recently introduced in the program of the area. Mahatma Gandhi ji National Rural Employment Guarantee Act was introduced February 2, 2005. This is employment giving to the in a year 100 days of the employment. Every rural of the household of the member is a working days is 100 days. So this is giving to the in a 365 days minimum of the doing the work is 100 days of the maximum of work. So this is about wages employment program. Then right placed legislation in the right placed legislation. This is important for the as government. So government, so rights placed of the legislation, those are includes in the Right to Information Act 2009, Right to Education Act, then Right to Financial Services. This is about right placed legislation. So in this class we are discussed about government business interface. Thank you for watching this video.